Today 30th of November. What a blessing day, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the market. Aussie dollar, we just bank amazing profit. As you have seen in my previous analysis, we've been short once the market respected this level. And if you look at this candle, what a beautiful candle pattern, bearish engulfing candle. We had this beautiful breakout and we also had a pullback. Our first target were around this level, which you can see a market nicely respected, and we just bank amazing profit on Aussie dollar. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries. As you have seen in my previous analysis, we had this beautiful breakout short trade here, as you can see here. So pretty standard and straightforward. We were looking here another pullback, and that give us the another high probability trade. As you can see here, market beautiful as respected based on the analysis, and that's what I made to my trader. There is no way not to make profit on this trade. As soon as the market hit, you can see it respected, and as soon as respected, and that's what I explained my trade. It's time to enjoy amazing profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice day, guys.